Job hunting can feel like an endless grind, sending out dozens of applications, tweaking your resume for every position, and then anxiously waiting for a response that sometimes never comes. The process can be exhausting, and it's easy to feel like you're stuck in a loop, doing the same things over and over with little to show for it. You keep hoping for that one email or phone call that will change everything. But the cycle just repeats itself, leaving you feeling more frustrated and uncertain each time. With so many people applying for the same roles, it's tough to break through the noise and actually land that dream job you've been working so hard for. Traditional job boards are crowded, and your application can easily get lost in the shuffle. But what if there were secret weapon websites, hidden gems that most job seekers don't even know exist? Imagine having access to tools and platforms that could completely change your job search game, giving you a real advantage over the competition. That's exactly what we're diving into today at Career Tops. We're going to reveal some of the most underrated and powerful websites that can help you stand out, get noticed, and land interviews faster. Today, we will be connecting you with the right opportunities and give you the resources you need to succeed in today's competitive job market. Think about it. You wouldn't use a flip phone in 2023, so why rely on outdated job hunting tactics that just don't work anymore? The job market has evolved, and so should your approach. This video is all about giving you an edge with lesser-known websites and innovative tools that can be absolute game changers. Whether you're just starting your search or you've been at it for a while, these resources can help you find hidden opportunities and make your application stand out. We'll show you platforms that help you tailor your resume for specific roles, connect directly with real people in your industry, and even discover jobs that aren't posted on the big job boards. Networking, personal branding, and smart research are all part of the new job search toolkit. Plus, we'll introduce you to sites that let you practice for interviews, get feedback on your answers, and build the confidence you need to ace every stage of the hiring process. Ready to level up your job search and finally get the results you deserve? Let's get into it and unlock the secret weapons that will help you land your next great job. First up, let's talk about JobScan.co, an essential tool for anyone serious about landing interviews in today's competitive job market. JobScan is your secret weapon for beating the bots that stand between you and your dream job. In the digital age, most companies use automated systems to filter resumes before a human even glances at them. These applicant tracking systems, or ATS, scan every resume for specific keywords, skills, and formatting. If your resume doesn't match what the system is looking for, it might never reach a recruiter's desk. That means even if you're the perfect fit, a poorly optimized resume can get you rejected automatically. It's frustrating, but it's the reality of modern job hunting. Think of JobScan as a secret decoder ring for your resume. It helps you understand exactly what the ATS is searching for, so you can tailor your application to pass through those digital filters. All you have to do is paste your resume and the job description into JobScan. The tool then analyzes both documents side by side, identifying missing keywords, flagging formatting issues, and highlighting areas for improvement. You'll get a match score that shows how closely your resume aligns with the job posting. The higher your score, the better your chances of making it past the bots and into the hands of a real person. But JobScan doesn't stop there. It gives you actionable advice, suggesting keywords to add, phrases to reword, and ways to improve your resume's structure. It's like having a personal resume coach guiding you every step of the way. Imagine having an expert in your corner, helping you fine-tune your resume so it stands out from the competition. That's the power of JobScan. Using JobScan can make a huge difference in your job search. It increases your chances of getting noticed, landing interviews, and ultimately securing the job you want. So work smarter, not harder. Let JobScan help you navigate the hiring process and give yourself the best shot at success. You've optimized for the bots, but what about impressing real recruiters? Enter resumeworded.com. This site uses AI to give feedback on your resume, LinkedIn profile, and cover letters. Upload your documents, and their AI analyzes them from a recruiter's perspective. It provides personalized feedback based on your industry and target job titles. You'll get suggestions for stronger action verbs, better highlights, and more impactful language. It's like getting a sneak peek into a recruiter's mind, helping your applications stand out. Ready to take your networking game to the next level? Let's talk about a tool that feels almost like having a superpower, Hunter.io. In today's world, networking is everything. Whether you're job hunting, building business relationships, or just trying to connect with industry leaders, sometimes you need to reach out to the right person directly. No more waiting for introductions or hoping someone notices your LinkedIn message. That's where Hunter.io comes in. Think of it as your secret weapon for uncovering email addresses that aren't always easy to find. It's a favorite among recruiters, sales professionals, and job seekers alike. All you have to do is enter a company's domain name, like example.com, and Hunter.io will search its massive database to find email addresses associated with that company. It's fast, efficient, and surprisingly accurate. Not only does it find general contacts, but it can often pinpoint specific people, such as hiring managers, department heads, or even the CEO. This means you can tailor your outreach and make a real impression. For anyone doing cold outreach, whether it's for a job, a partnership, or just to learn more about a company, this tool is a total game changer. It takes the guesswork out of finding the right contact. Imagine being able to email a hiring manager directly, or reaching out to someone for an informational interview without having to dig through endless web pages or company directories. With Hunter.io, that's not just possible, it's easy. You'll feel like you've unlocked a hidden level in your job search or networking journey. It's like having your own digital detective, tirelessly uncovering hidden contact details and giving you the edge you need to connect with anyone, anywhere. Keeping track of job applications can feel overwhelming. Spreadsheets and emails get messy fast. TealHQ.com brings order to the chaos. It's your job search command center, like Trello, but for job hunting. Create boards for job titles or companies, and add cards for each application. Track job descriptions, deadlines, resume versions, interview notes, and follow-ups, all in one place. No more switching between tabs or digging through your inbox. TealHQ also offers resources on resume writing, interview prep, and salary negotiation. It's like having a personal job search assistant guiding you every step. LinkedIn is a powerhouse, but are you using its hidden gems? The LinkedIn Alumni tool is one of the best. It connects you with fellow alumni from your school or past companies. Search by keyword, company, job title, or location to find people you already have something in common with. Reach out for advice, informational interviews, or referrals. Warm leads are gold in job searching, and the Alumni tool helps you find them fast. Ready for next-level sleuthing? Check out Lusha.co. Lusha helps you find contact details for hiring managers and decision-makers. We're talking direct phone numbers and verified emails, giving you a real edge. Lusha is committed to ethical sourcing and verifies data accuracy. Imagine bypassing gatekeepers and reaching the person making hiring decisions. That's the power of Lusha. Build real connections and get your application seen by the right people. Interested in startups? You need to be on Angel.co, now called Well-Found. It's a goldmine for discovering opportunities at companies you won't find on traditional job boards. Well-Found connects startups with talented individuals and lets you apply directly to founders or hiring managers. You'll find detailed company profiles, salary ranges, and equity info. It's about real conversations and transparency. Find the right fit for you and the company, not just any role. Well-Found is your gateway to the startup world. Tired of endless, soul-crushing job boards? Otter.com is here for tech job seekers. Otter curates high-quality tech and startup jobs, prioritizing growth, work-life balance, and diversity. Intelligent matching connects you with roles that fit your skills and interests. Detailed company profiles include salary, culture, and employee reviews. Otter is about finding a job you'll love, not just any job. Landed a job offer? Now it's time to negotiate. Use offerletter.io. Input your offer details, and the platform provides insights based on real-time market data. See how your offer compares to similar roles, giving you leverage. Get expert advice and email templates for negotiation. Offerletter.io empowers you to advocate for yourself and get what you deserve. Interviews can be nerve-wracking, but Big Interview helps you prepare and build confidence. Practice with mock interviews, AI-powered feedback, and tailored questions. Get tips on body language, tone, and content to refine your answers. It's like having a personal interview coach to help you ace those crucial interviews. Those are the secret weapon websites that can transform your job search. Landing the right job is about strategy and standing out. Use these tools to streamline your search and connect with decision makers. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments.